Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
गोंयचो आत्मो हांगच्या इमारतींनी निजाल्यार लोकांमदीं आसा. दायज राखप आनी स्वताच्या वेगळेपणाचो अभिमान आसप हीच खरी गोंयची वळख म्हूण सरन्यायाधीश सूर्यकांत उलयलो. गुळे वखदा आड जागृताय मोहिमेचो आयतारा समारोप जालो. ह्या समारोप सुवाळ्याक सरन्यायाधीश सूर्यकांत मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण हजर आशिल्ले.
Spirit of Goa embedded in each of not only the buildings and the street corners but every citizen and resident of Goa. All of them seem to carry the DNA of Goa's antiquity, resilience and beauty. And I thought to myself, this is what Goa stands for: preservation, heritage and pride in our identity.
Drug abuse should be treated as a personal problem, as it is a social danger. It harms the body and the mind. It can break families. It leads to crime, violence and loss of the human potential. Our youth are the future of Goa. They are our doctor, engineer, teachers, artists, police officers and the leaders of tomorrow. The drugs rob them of their dreams and confidence. Goa is known for its peace, culture and strong values. The protecting our youth from the drugs will never be the optional, it is our moral duty. Let me say this clear and firmly, the government of Goa has zero tolerance towards the drugs. Our police force and anti-narcotic cell act decisively. Drug traffickings are arrested, networks are being broken and our state is under strict surveillance supported by the central agencies and modern technology. Anyone involved in the drug peddling will be faced the strict actions. There will be no compromise.
Bureau Report, Prudent.